Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to build Maelle in Expedition 33. With the build I'm about to show you, you can clear the entire screen free of enemies with just about 2 turns, without even the inputs from any of your teammates at all. Take note however that this build is possible when you enter Act 3, because you'd have to make use of the Painted Power Picto that lifts the 9,999 damage cap, and you'd have to get the Cheater Picto, which you can get from Sprong somewhere in the ocean on the world map. For this build, we're going to be using Medellum, because of its innate ability of being in a virtuous stance right from the get-go. But if you happen to miss this weapon, like myself, before I went into the New Game Plus, then you can use the Barrier Breaker, since this can be collected as long as you progress into the story. You're going to be using 2 skills for this build. First up will be Last Chance, which will drop you to 1 HP, but fully charges you to full AP. Then follow it up with a devastating Phantom Strike. For the Pictos, you don't need that much for AP generation, since you have Last Chance, but you can still opt for putting some energizing starts and energizing turns just in case you need it for the shields that enemies may have on them when you start the fight. As for the damage Pictos, get as many as you can to rack up your damage. And because you're at 1 health after Last Chance, then the Picto at Death's Door will be your best friend for this build, and just about every other Picto you can see here on the screen. And that's how to build Maelle in Expedition 33.